Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are now known as MJvlogs, previously known as MJ Audits. First video in a while. We've come to this Bebington train station, but on the way in we've seen this gate with New Ferry Butterfly Park. Right. I don't know what it is, maybe it's some kind of butterfly park in here. So yeah. Zoom in. So just a quick look at that. We're just going to venture into the back entrance of the Bebington train station. So join us when we cut back in. Let's go. It's Mersey Travel Bebington Station car park. Free parking for rail users only. CCTV cameras are in operation. This scheme is operated by Merseyside. Warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. So that's where you come in, and just over there is the Aldi shopping in New Ferry. So yeah, let's go. And this is the part of the railway station that the public aren't welcome to go on. As you can see, there's the live tracks and a bit of residential in the background. The weeds could do with a bit of a chop, but yeah, okay, so carry on with the video. Right, I've just noticed some old rail track here, just to the side of the entrance of the car park. 500 metres. Wow, looks a bit rusty, but yeah, on we go. Right guys, we're just walking down the tunnel section. This leads you out to the front. Caution, low headroom. So this must be the tunnel for under the tracks. So yeah, there we go. There's some nice cladding on the walls. Looks quite nice actually. Butterflies, old train. Very nice indeed, very colourful. And on the other side we have some more, a snail, some old trains. The layer blue in which no ship could swim, within whose peace no water ever flowed, within that pale no shadow ever showed. It's a nice train. I think that was filmed, or the photo was captured at this particular train station, Bebington train station in the Wirral, Merseyside, UK. As you come in from the front entrance, trains to Chester and Ellesmere Port. Change at Chester for North Wales, change at Ellesmere Port for Helsby, and trains to Liverpool. There's some information boards. And that is the way up to the platform going towards Birkenhead Town Centre and Liverpool. Bebington, Mersey travel. These mosaics were created for the community of Bebington by Blue Cross of Bad Hand Mosaics in partnership with Love Bebington, November 2023. And this is the way out. Some of the shops and businesses. And here's an interesting fact, guys. 2024 Cheshire Best Kept Station, Bebington. Wirral Award. Station local area map. There we go. Right guys, that was the first video in a while under the new name MJvlogs, previously MJ Audits. Hopefully we'll get a few more videos out. The idea is to do a bit more travelling. We're looking to invest in a camper van to go further afield. But yeah, it's good to be back out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give us a like, share, and please consider subscribing as it helps the channel grow and will help us do more videos. So for now, it's over and out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, guys. MJ Vlogs.